Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the vision as 5 questions. Let us go to the first question. First question is related to the polity section. They are asking about the power of which of the following institution that are mentioned in the constitution who have power to declare the scheduled area as per our Indian constitution in our country. So option in front of you are governor of the state, second option state legislature, third parliament, and fourth president. And you have to choose the correct option from the given option. I again repeat the question for the you people. The power to declare scheduled area under the Indian constitution is given to the governor of the state, second the state legislature, third parliament, and fourth president. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the environment section this time. Very unique. Let's see the next question. Consider the following statement regarding ecological pyramid. Number first statement said like that the pyramid of number and biomass can be both upright and inverted. Second statement is said like that pyramid of energy is always upright, and you have to choose the correct option from the given option. I again repeat the question for you people. It is a question whether regarding with the concept of the ecology, in which they are asking about the ecological pyramid. Number first statement is said like that the pyramid of number and biomass can be both upright and inverted. Number second statement is said that, for example, biomass of number is like that and inverted is like that. Pyramid of energy is always upright, so you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the science and tech, in which they are asking about the carbon compound that are found that has application in the industrial industries basically. Number first, coke. Is the coke easy used in the manufacture of the steel basically. Second, coal tar that are used in manufacturing of the synthetic dye. Number third, coal gas is used for the fuel, and you have to choose the correct option from the given option, and option in front of you are first and second, third, third and first, second, third. I again repeat the question so that you have a clear, better understanding of your answer, whatever you have to choose from the given option. Carbon compound and industrial application in the world basically. Coke, manufacturer of steel. Coal tar, is it manufactured of a synthetic dye. Number third, coal gas that are used for the fuel purpose. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the modern history, in which they are asking about the Indian National Congress regarding the session that are occurred various places. Number first, the Swaraj Party was formed immediately after the Gaya session in 1922. And the second statement is said like the second session in Calcutta in 1986 was presided by the Dadabhai Naroji. Number third, the word Swaraj was mentioned in the first time in Calcutta session in 1906, and you have to choose the correct option from the given option, and option in front of you are these. I'm really sorry for which of the following regarding the session of the INC is correct. Number first, the Swaraj Party was formed immediately after the Gaya session in 1922. The second session in Calcutta in 1986 was presided by the Dadabhai Naroji, and Swaraj was mentioned first time in 1906 in the Calcutta session that are occurred in 1906. Let's see the next question. No, there should be one more question, no? I think I am not adding fourth question. Okay, let's see the fourth question. With reference to the river Tista, consider the following statement. Number first statement regarding Tista river. Number first, the source of the river Tista is same as that of the Brahmaputra, but it flows through Sikkim. Second statement is said like that river Rangit is a tributary of the Tista. Number third, river Tista flow into Bay of Bengal on the border of India and Bangladesh. So you have the correct option from the given option, and option in front of you are these. I again repeat the question. With reference to the Tista river, the first statement is said like the source of the river Tista is the same as the Brahmaputra, but it flows through the Sikkim. Number second, river Rangit is the tributary of the river Tista, and number third, river Tista is flow into the Bay of Bengal on the border of India and Bangladesh, and you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the fifth question. Fifth question I already talked about. Let's see the answer. The first question, the power of the declaring of the schedule in the Indian constitution is, and it should be president answer होना चाहिए. So fourth are correct. No viable declaration of the schedule area. In fifth and sixth schedule also, the president has in power to declare an area to be scheduled area. He can increase or decrease area through boundary line in which such designation or much fresh order can be designated on an area through the consultation with the governor of the state that the imposition of that summon is implemented. Number second statement, I think both are correct. Yes, both are correct, because first statement said like pyramid of number and biomass can be upright and inverted, because let's see the explanation. Pyramid of number and biomass can be both upright and inverted. For example, pyramid of number in forest and parasitic food chain is upright and inverted respectively. For example, in forest की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पे upright इसका स्ट्रक्चर रहता है बट इन्वर्टेड हो जाता है किस केस में, पैरासिटिक जब फूड चेन चलती है तो। पिरामिड ऑफ बायोमास इज अपराइट इन द फॉरेस्ट इकोसिस्टम बिकॉज द बायोमास द प्रोड्यूसर इन मोर देन द हर्बीवोर्स बिकॉज द हर्बीवोर्स number are much less as compared to produce of plant are much more higher as compared to the herbivore that are found in the forest or consumer which outweigh the biomass upcoming tropical level. However, in the pond ecosystem, for example, pyramid of biomass is inverted since the producer or biomass is less than the primary and secondary consumer that are found there because of there are intercompatibility between the producer and the herbivores, and the big fish can eat the small fish and that can be the good prey for them and they can survive there. If you are talking about the second statement, pyramid of energy is always upright. That is the 10% rule of the pyramid. When we are talking about the energy, 10% rule is going through. मतलब 10% of energy from one tropic level to the other tropic level is passed on. Other is lost in our environment in form of the respiration and the energy that we use in consume of food. I think all are correct of these. Coke are used in manufacturing of a steel so that it can be strengthful. Second, coal tar is used for the synthetic dye. Number third, coal gas. As you know very well, petroleum and diesel are getting these things from the coal gas itself and that can be used as a fuel. Coke, it is a tough, porous and black substance and it is almost a pure form of the carbon. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in extraction of many metal. So first statement here is correct. If you are talking about the second statement is about the coal tar that are used for the synthetic dye. Product obtained from the coal tar are used for the starting material for the manufacturing of the various substances that are used in everyday life and industry like the synthetic dye, drug explosive, perfumes, plastic, pine nets, paints basically it is, photographic material, roofing material, naphthalene bowl, etc. Coal gas is used as a fuel in the industry situated near the coal processing plant. So all statements are correct here. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the river Tista. The source of the river Tista is same, that is wrong, and river thing that is correct, and river Tista flow Bay of Bengal, that is absolutely correct, and it is the previous year question paper of the UPSC that already asked because of the this river is in news because of the India-Bangladesh relationship. Let's see, the first statement is not correct because this Tista river originated from the Ponnuri or Tista Kangse glacier and flows southward to the Sikkim Himalaya where the Rangpur river, that name is Brahmaputra river joins and where it formed the border between Sikkim and West Bengal up to Tista Bazar just before the Tista bridge where the roads from Kalimpong and Darjeeling join. Okay, you can see from the here and the option that are given here for the better explanation of the question that are asked here. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the INC. The Swaraj Party was formed in 1922. Swaraj Party are formed because of the no changer and changers in the INC. The reason behind the same is that they do not want it to part of because of the 1906 mishappening place because of the rift between the party itself. So they do not want it to again repeat the same thing, so that they made the Swaraj Party for the better understanding of the issues that are associated with some of the main ideal leader of the INC. So that's why they formed the Swaraj Party in 1922. So first statement is correct. Second session in Calcutta 1886 that are headed by the Dadabhai Naroji, that also correct. And first session of 1885 of the INC is headed by the W.C. Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee basically. The word Swaraj was mentioned for the first time in the Calcutta session in 1900. That is also be correct because 1900 at the first time where the Swaraj for first time mentioned, but that is not explained here. Swaraj for Tilak is something different, Aurobindo for different, and Gokhale, or you can say the Dadabhai Naroji, has some different manifestation and interpretation of Swaraj in 1906 is very much different. First, second, third, all are correct. That's the explanation that are given by the vision itself. The Swaraj Party was formed immediately after the INC session in 1922 that are presided by the C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru are the two main figures are in this party, and 1928 I think the whole thing again submerged into INC. Second statement is also correct because the second session of INC are held in Calcutta and it is presided by the Dadabhai Naroji, and first session in Bombay are held and it is presided by W.C. Banerjee. I already talked about. Third session is also third correct statement is also be correct because Swaraj first time he used in the INC of 1906, but it is not mentioned here, not explained here, but it is explained in the resolution for the Pune Swaraj was passed in 1929. At that point of time it has a clear cut meaning of the word Swaraj means. By this we are ending the session. Hope you like the video. Thank you.